So really, the model development life cycle from model conception through to model development, right through to deployment, responsible AI needs to feature in those three, as well as within the risk management practice itself. So I think finding the right kind of people with those skills, I mean, it's hard, right? It's hard to be able to find those people. And I think a lot of organizations are training people to join those teams. So we see, and I've certainly witnessed banks with large scale training, comms, awareness programs to explain ethical risks, risks of bias and unfairness across not just engineers, but to non-engineering folk, to data folk, to legal teams, to privacy teams. So I see this culture of ethical AI now being much more widely adopted and a lot more awareness being made, given to that across in the entire organization. So I think that's obviously a very healthy thing to do. But of course, it needs to be driven from the top, Colin. I think from the top of the organization to really drive things through. So whether that's through an AI officer or a responsible AI officer, something like that, but to have that support from the top of the organization that recognizes AI's got actually huge potential in terms of uplifting the work that we do and kind of delighting our customers. So with that huge potential, though, there are these risks. So as much as we like to talk about the huge potential and how it's going to transform people's lives and give customers much better experiences, I think we have to give equal importance to the risks and how we can mitigate them, because we can mitigate them. It's perfectly doable, but it needs mobilization across the organization, people, process, technology, policies, as we've talked about earlier.